Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to a new video in this playlist. And today I'll show you how relay works. Relay is one kind of electrical switch that will help you to operate the circuit that is connected to the relay. Okay. So at first, I think I have shown how to come to the workspace. I think I showed that come if whenever you will open this, you will get this one interface that is very much common, and then come here and then follow some procedure, and then you will able to come here. But you can follow another easy way, that is just whenever you will open that, you will give exactly same logo, is the exactly same thing as I have pointed here. This is, and this is called schematic capture, and just simply click on that, you will directly thrown to this and now it's our turn to design. Then you have to come P, it means put device, or pick device. You can see that P for pick devices. So I have already taken the diode, but I want to show you diode. There's various types of diode. These are the categories, these subcategories, these are the manufacturer, or what, many things. But exactly I need this one, generic diode. So if you want to get this here, you have two options. Either just click on OK or double click on it, and then you will see that you have got your, what can I say, component. And then again come npn, and there's various types of npn. I need this one, bipolar transistor, and it's again same, okay, or double click on this. And now I need relay, relay. You can see that I am just double click on this, fine, this is the relay. And I need diode relay. I think everything has been done. If I face something different, then I will be able to come here. But first I need diode. Come here and put it here. Change its orientation according to my need. So I need to rotate it. It's great. And in relay, here comes the relay, and this is npn. I think I want to put it upper. It's great. Now let's make the proper connection here. Adjust the screen so that you can understand properly. Again the same mistake, I think it's right. So let's connect this circuit. I need ground. Okay, always remember that ground, don't need to come the pick device for the ground. You just come here, the terminal mode. You see branch of options. I need the ground, so ground here, and then I have connected this with this. Okay. I forgot to get the element that is called logic state. Okay, then come in this option, and then you get your previous option or previous configuration PL. And whenever your Proteus has this configuration, you will be able to understand. You should understand that you are in the option. You have the option to get the your expected component. So again come here, and I need logic state, and I need this one. Come here, okay, logic state, and double click on it. I need to replace it. Okay, I think it's alright. I want to make the proper connection. I think I have done. Now one thing is short here, that is the power supply. the power supply, I want to make it over. For power supply, come here. Again, I'm showing you the for the power supply. Sorry, and just for power supply, come here, the generator mode, and then you will branch of options. I need like sine. Sine means AC current. It's current source. Sorry, AC current source. Sorry, and then connect it. It's okay, but there is a problem. That is, you have to change the voltage. There is 0 voltage. 0 means nothing. I'm putting it 12, and then okay. I think it's okay. Now I want to add. Press the start button. Start, and you can see it is 0, and I want to. It is 1. Look at this, it has changed its state. I am showing you again. Just look at this portion of the circuit. When it is 0, this is connected to this point. When I have turned it into 1, then it has changed its state. It is attached with this pin now, or this cable now. What exactly happened here, the science behind this replacement is, whenever the current is flowing through this wire, you can see this is a coil. Due to the coil, a magnetic flux has been produced, and this magnetic flux is also also polarizing this. As a result, this, or can I say, a paste color object or paste color wire is feeling attraction. As a result, when the current is flowing through this, it has, due to attraction force, it is coming in this way and get or make connection with this wire. If I stop the current flow, then you will see that it has come here. It is normal place. And this is actually the relay, and this is how the relay actually works. And you can complete your circuit with various kinds of element to get your desired result. That's it for today. I think you have enjoyed and you have get a visualized idea about the relay. I think it will be helpful for you to understand the function of the relay. That's all for today, and I'm requesting you to keep motivated me, and definitely I'm requesting you to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any idea, if you have anything to share, the comment box is for you. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.